All right, fam, Justin Stevenson here, Toyota Tri-Cities. This is our Toyota Grand Highlander 2024 XLE, and it is certified. Certified means we've put it through an inspection. My master diagnostic technician, Lucas, and his team go through an extensive 160-point inspection on this thing for all the stuff Toyota wants to see. If they're gonna warrant it for longer, once it passes, we extend the warranties out because it is a Toyota certified used vehicle, a TCUV. Okay, it's got to meet a bunch of standards, including tires. Our premier benefits here: we put nitrogen in our tires at Toyota Tri-Cities. This is the storm cloud color, all-wheel drive, blackout emblem overlays. It's going closer. Looks like it's in really good shape. How are the tires? There we go. Tires look good, right? There's some wear on them. It's got 17,000 miles on it, so that's 17,000 miles worth of wear. There are some imperfections right here. Just a little scrape on the front. Matter of fact, it goes to there. So something hit it right there just enough to do that to the paint. It's got crossbars up top. And my favorite part about this rig, besides the blind spot monitors and the heated mirrors, it's got the marshmallow interior. Well, it's light gray, okay? Still got the automatic high beams. You got your tailgate right there. Interior is super nice. Looks brand spanking new. Captain's chairs. All right, how do you get in the back? And then those seats pop up. So this is the best part about the Grand. It's 6 inches longer than the regular Highlander. Also, there's not the huge bump getting in, so there's actually leg room back there, and then they recline quite a bit, actually. Then when you get back here, you've got your automatic lift gate, and these puppies. I guess that was hard to see, huh? I've got the middle seatbelt still plugged in, but you get the idea how much more space right here, right? And the best part, you could fit everybody. You've got Toyota's latest safety tech. Yeah, when you see that wide angle camera up there, that's 3.0. So that's Toyota's latest, greatest. And then you got the sensor right there underneath the Toyota symbol. If this video has been helpful, you know what to do. Love that color. This is Justin Stevenson at Toyota of Tri-Cities. Thanks for watching.